The Canis latrans, or coyote, is in the Canidae family, sharing many similarities to wolves, dogs, foxes, and jackals. They are thought to be mainly carnivorous, meaning they only eat meat, although on occasion they have been found snacking on various kinds of fruits and grasses. From nose to tail, they are on average 3 to 4.5 feet long, and they typically weigh 20 to 50 pounds. Coyotes can be found living in the United States, Canada, Mexico, and Central America, roaming through plains, mountains, forests, and deserts. It was not until around 1920 that coyotes began expanding across North America. The spread is widely thought to be due to human expansion pushing them out of their prior habitats. Coyotes' fur can be brown, tan, white, or gray. This color can differ based on where they live, with darker coats being found primarily in the mountains and lighter coats found in deserts. Coyotes often live alone and will howl and mark areas with their urine to claim it as their territory. However, when hunting larger animals such as deer, they will work as a team and form a pack. Not able to simply overpower the larger deer, they use their keen senses to follow the deer and bite at its hind legs until it can no longer run or pose a threat. Nocturnal hunters, coyotes will usually sleep during the day and hunt at night. They are fast too, capable of reaching speeds of around 40 miles per hour. Persistent hunters, males have been found to travel over 100 miles to find food when their homes become overpopulated. Coyotes live for on average 10 years in the wild. They will often mate in the months of February and March, and pregnant females will build dens in the spring in preparation for their pups. Their litters can range from 3 to 12 pups, or baby coyotes, depending on the abundance of coyotes in the area. When fewer coyotes are around, the litters tend to be larger, and when more are around, they are smaller. Coyotes are also able to mate with dogs, with their offspring being referred to as coy dogs. These hybrid populations are small and their survival rates poor due to the harsh winter months in which they are usually born, along with males usually not helping to care for the pups. Coyotes actually play an important role in the environment. They are considered a keystone species, meaning their presence has a great impact on the biological communities in which they live. This is partly because coyotes are top carnivores in some of the ecosystems they inhabit, and by hunting, they help regulate various other animal populations such as raccoons, skunks, and foxes. The regulation of these species then helps to sustain the populations of plants and animals that they eat by reducing excess predation and ultimately boosting biodiversity in those areas. So if you ever hear the howl of a coyote late at night, you now have a better idea of what they might be up to and can understand the positive things they are doing for the ecosystems in which they live.